So we're going to pop it open and see what's in here. Alright. You gotta die. Lands. Nobody needs lands.
Still thinking about getting the 5 pounds.
Yeah. So. Alright. Get this out of the way. Alright. Lightning Strike, that's not bad. Repeating Argent, that's not a bad card either. And yay, another land. Treasure tokens. Alright, let me move this over just a little bit. Got some good pirates in this deck. You can never go wrong with pirates. Do. Dinosaurs. Grim Captain's Call. Return a pirate card from your graveyard into your hand, then do the same for Vampires Diary. Okay, that's a decent one. Ember Fire Cannon, Human Scout, Sunflame. Nobody needs a land, more tokens. You can talk.
I know. I'm just watching in anticipation.
Vampires, Human Pirate. Where was this deck like a week ago? Where were these packs a week ago when I was making a Pirates deck? Which, I can give you one of my commanders and we can make a Pirates deck. So we can play. And there you go. There's a nice pirate. Goblin Pirate, first strike. When he enters the battlefield with a 1/1 counter, it's not bad. Another Human Pirate. There you go. Rootbound. It's a good land. Alrighty. Let's see. Lookout, that's not bad. Got another lightning strike. Blowing a restaurant, okay. Old growth, no, that's not bad. Plenty of pirates.
That's the theme of the pack.
That is the theme of this pack. And the treasure tokens. Alright, lookout. You got another lookout. Got an Imperial dinosaur. That's not bad. Another vampire. Bingo! Dancing Dagger. That's a good one. This is a real good one. Token and trash. So I am separating these by color, just so it makes it easier when we go to sort them to make decks. I have a whole sorting system which works out pretty good. Stormfleet, there you go. Savage Stomp, such a good card. I have it in my 60 deck for my dinosaur deck. That actually Chris from over at One More Game made me. And dude, it plays phenomenal. I love that deck. Deeper up the chant. Okay. And the land. And the treasure token. What's funny is you're getting all these treasure tokens, but none of them create treasure. Which is the funniest thing. There you go. Lightning Rig Crew. It's a good goblin card. Ooh. Raging Raptors. Whenever Raging Raptors deal damage, you may search your card for a basic library, put it onto the battlefield, tapped, and then shuffle. That's a good one. This is our first multicolored. This is our first multi-mana. It's not bad. Haven't hit any mythic shit though. And we got 3 packs left. So there's a guy on Whatnot that I watched, that I got those cards from that you saw today, that opens his packs.
That's nerve-wracking.
With a razor blade?
It's effective, but nerve-wracking.
Correct, but I understand why he does it now, because like trying to rip these packs open, it's kind of a pain. I know a lot of people are really good at it, but I take my time. So like when we went to release weekend for Brothers War, like I was watching everybody like rip open packs, and then they were doing them by colors like this.
Yeah.
And I'm like, I'm going so slow because I'm reading every single card. Wild Growth Walker, that's not bad. It's not a bad hit.
Well, are the cards like already out, or is it like literally the first time ever seeing it?
So on a pre-release weekend, they're live to the public. Like we already know what kind of cards are in the deck, in the set, and then you go to a pre-release, and you get pretty much similar box to like this fat pack.
Yeah.
And then you open them up, and then you make a deck right on site.
Yeah.
And the more you win, the more packs you get to open.
Yeah.
So like when Chris and I went last Sunday, Chris and I played each other for the last game.
Yeah.
I didn't have any wins. Chris didn't have any wins. So Chris was just like, he's like, I'll get it and we'll split the pack. So that's what we did. You got another Deadeye Quartermaster. Bishop of Rebirth. It's pretty good. It's really good. And a treasure token. I'm probably going to steal one of your treasure tokens because I don't have one. More pirates! Yay! You haven't gotten any legendaries either.
I noticed that.
Again, a lot of...
Is that like one of those things where mathematically it'd be weird if I didn't get one in this many packs?
I mean, kind of. Like, we opened that whole booster last night. I don't know if anybody watched the live. We opened that booster pack at King's Court last night, and we only got 2 Transformers. And the pack prior that he opened, the owner opened, he got, I think he got 4 Transformers. So I kind of gave him shit, and I said, oh great, you saved the good ones for you and you give your customers the crappy ones. But you know how Steve is. I love giving him a hard time, and Steve gives me a hard time, and it's all good. Yeah, you didn't hit any mythics. Unless the last pack magic, you know. Good for it. Another multicolored. I have that dinosaur on the dinosaur deck. Riven Sneak, that's not bad. She can't block. She can't be blocked, so that's even better. And that's money. It's got double strike. Whenever it attacks, it gains. Yeah, a creature you control gains double strike as well. Alright, so that's it for Ixalan. Now we're going to go to Commander's Legends. The booster box does not want to agree with me. Like, what the heck? Alright. Let's play this game. These are all just common cards. The real stuff's in the back of the pack. Commander Sphere. It's really good. So when you tap it, it has one color that identifies as your commander. And if you sacrifice it, you get to draw a card. So that works really well. Alright, Human Pirate. Bird Wizard, Dreamstone, Wheel of Misfortune. Wow.
What is that?
And you got your first commander card in your commander. So you got the Woven Familiar. As long as it's your turn, your commander has Indestructible. And you can use it as a partner, so I do have a partner's deck. And speaking of partner, his partner's right behind him. You can use a card. You got Gaelic the Power Stone Engineer. So When you tap them, it untaps for 2 artifacts you control. Look at the top X card. Put the rest of those cards in your hand or into your graveyard. Jeez, you got another commander. Holy moly. Alright. And then the token. I see why this was Commander Legend set.
Yeah. You think they're all gonna be like that?
Hopefully. Hopefully you get some good commanders. For those of you just joining us, my brother's starting to play. And he's had all these sets hanging around from a couple years ago when he was gonna play and he never opened them. So when I got back into it a couple weeks ago and decided to start streaming, he came Friday night to play with us, and he's like, hey, you want to do an unboxing with all the unopened packs I have? And I said, sure, bud, not a problem. So that's what we're doing. And what I might do is add another camera in a little bit once we get done. He's got a pre-made deck, and we might sleeve it up and play a quick game and see what happens. Alright. You got a Salamander Pirate. Pretty boss. Radial Siren Angel. Legendary creatures. Flying. Tap another untapped creature. Control flying. It gains protection from colors you choose. And it's a partner as well. Nimrus Aura's Tisker. Flash flying whenever you cast your first spell during each opponent's turn. Look at the top 2 cards of your library. Put one of those cards in your hand and the other into the graveyard. And you got Lich's Blunzen Plunderer. It's a legendary goblin pirate. What? Yeah, you lucked out. Now you have a bunch of commanders to build off of. This is really cool. The Permistic Piper. If the Permistic Piper is in your command, choose a color before the game begins. Permistic Piper is the chosen color. Alright, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 commanders so far. Plus the like 4 or 5 you already had. You already had 6 commanders. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you're up 1 from what you had. Let's see what you get on your last pack magic. Foundry Inspector doesn't look as cool as the new Barlow's War ones. But you'll get there. Alright. Got a Mora's Tide of Death. You got another Bleach's Bronzen Plunderer. And you got a Mara artifact. So not bad. Not completely and utterly bad. So you can take those. Wear your extra sleeves.
These ones are the extras.
The extras. So we'll put all your commanders in. sleeves. Put them on some sleeves. Put these to the side. I think you need more lands. Alrighty. Let's go over there for now. This can get taken off the table. Alright. So now what we'll do is we'll have him sleeve up.
Should be enough, right?
Yeah, there's 99 there, so I don't know why I just put your other sleeve. Grab an extra sleeve. Here, let me see this. So he actually bought the Commander's Legends pack with, it's already a pre-made deck. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open it up. He's gonna sleeve it on camera, and then I'm gonna grab a lower playing deck that I have, and we're gonna play some Commander.
Mother trucker.
He's so gentle with everything. Do 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 do. You gonna use your fancy new life counter?
Most likely. It's actually, out of any time to have a blue one of those, the nautical one, perfect.
Right.
Is this the poster of him? No.
Yeah, it might be. It might be how to play Commander.
Yeah, it's just how to play Commander.
You got plants, elephants, sprawlings.
This counter, that's wonky as hell.
Oh, I know.
Because it goes down to like 21 and then you gotta go to the other side.
Mm-hmm. Alright, so while he's sleeving this up, I'm going to set up another camera so we can play some games.